Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, our today's discussion will be very important discussion for your upcoming CSIR net exam preparation. And even guys, for the GATE exam and for other similar exams, this discussion will be helping you a lot. Now what we will be discussing in our today's session, that's gonna be the strategy for the upcoming CSIR net exam, which is gonna be helpful for other exams too. Now in this strategy, I'm gonna cover up each and everything, whatever you need to follow for your upcoming exam. So this is gonna be your best strategy for the upcoming exam, and you can't even skip any of the points from this one. You can't skip any of the things I will include in this strategy. So just check it out. Even if you have already made your strategy, are you following these things there as well or not? Okay, now let's talk about these points, and then I will be sharing one more important information with all of you, and that's regarding the mega offer which is just going on Unacademy Plus subscription. Till 1st December, you can get this mega offer along with the 10% discount in the total subscription amount by using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live. Any of these referral codes you can use and apply, and you can grab this mega offer and you can get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount as well. Now let me just share this strategy first of all, and then we will talk about that point. Now guys, let's quickly check it out that whether you are following these things when you are preparing for the upcoming exam or not. And if you know, then you should include these points in your preparation. Now the first point is that you have to first of all just check out the syllabus, okay, you are having for your exam. Since you are having the limited time remaining for the exam, then you have to do the selection of topics. And as per like this thing, that to score good marks, what you have to do, can you just prepare 5 subjects, 6 subjects, like that? If you are thinking this way, my suggestion will be go for all subjects. You have to do all subjects, but you can do the selection of topics, and that's all right. All subjects, but selection of what topics. Okay, that's the smart strategy you are making, that you are selecting the topics, what you want to complete, what you want to prepare, what is gonna have the more chances to be there in your upcoming exam. Okay, instead of starting with each and every topic, you are gonna do the selection first, and then you will be starting your preparation. After this guys, what you have to do next, you will be just checking out the sources from where you will do the preparation. If you think you want to attend the live classes by the top educators, the well structured and the well planned courses by the top educators, in that case guys, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, because these courses and classes will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to the next level and to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. So check out the sources. Even you are following some reference books, you are having some notes, that's all right, but you should have an idea what you will be following to prepare the particular subject or the topics. The sources must be there with you, okay, or will be should be available to you. Next, once you had all these things ready, now you should also arrange the previous year question papers or previous year questions you should have, which is like very easy to find, because online if you will check out the previous year question papers, you can find them. So once you will have all these things with you, the topics, you know what you need to prepare, sources to prepare those topics and the subjects, and previous year questions, these are the things you should have with you. Now let's come to the points on which we will be following when we will do the preparation. So guys, now you will have to plan whether in a day you will be preparing more than one topic, okay, or just one single topic, or you will focus on one subject or many subjects. That should be your plan. That should be what you find more suitable for yourself. One day plan, okay, means what actually you will do throughout your preparation journey, what is more suitable for you, that should be clear to you. Okay, so your one day plan means each day how you will be doing the preparation. Then subject wise, will you take more subjects together or one subject at a time and you will complete it? What you are gonna do, that should be clear to you. Okay, just think about it first of all, then decide what you will be doing and how you will be following that. Okay, now once you will decide it, what you actually need to do after that, start your preparation. Now, when you will start your preparation, what you have to do then? Let's talk about it. Each day, whatever you will prepare, okay, each day, whatever you will prepare, first of all, prepare the topic, okay, each day preparation, prepare the topic, then do the PYQ regarding or related to those topics which you have completed. Then you have to update your success notebook, okay, or you can call it the formula notebook, or you can call it the concept notebook, but you have to update it. Done. This is very important thing you have to do every day whenever you are doing the preparation. Done. Now, updating means what? Note down the things whatever you have prepared in your success notebook, okay, point wise you can note them down. And then the success notebook, you have to revise this notebook every single day, okay. But I would suggest you to even make one more notebook, and you can make it like, or call it your practice notebook, because there you can note down those questions which you find difficult, which you find something different, okay, you learned something different from those questions which were not same like the other questions, you were having some difficulty in solving those questions. So those kind of questions you can note down in your practice notebook. So both you are gonna consider, okay, you have to consider. Now after this guys, what you have to do, when you are making your success notebook and practice notebook, you will try to do the revision mostly, and more often you will try to do the revision of this success notebook from this notebook. In this notebook, in one single register, if it is having the enough number of pages, make the partitions 9 partitions, if you need 10 partitions including the part A, okay. So that's how you will do the partitions. Allot 30 to 40 pages for one subject, okay, and then note down or update it as per the subject preparation you are doing. And that's how like everything will be clear to you, everything it will be with you all the time, so it will be quite simple and easy for you to do the revision, okay. Now after this guys, in case if you are gonna have any other questions or queries, you can surely mention them in the comments, we'll try to answer them too. Another thing is, if you are gonna include all these things in your strategy, I think you will have everything with you and you will not have any issue regarding your preparation, and everything will be planned, so it will be so easy for you to follow the things and to be ready for your upcoming exams with the proper command on the topics and by knowing about all the concepts too. So guys, I hope each and everything will be clear to all of you this way. And in case if you want to ask anything else, anything is not clear to you, you can surely tell me about it. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. As I have told you about the mega offer, so if you want to attend the regular live classes of the well structured and the well planned courses by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription by using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali Arora. As mentioned here on the screen, you will be able to grab this mega offer, which is, if you will take the 12-month subscription, you will get the 2 months free. If you will take the 6-month subscription, you will get the 1 month free, and you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount by using and by applying the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen. Along with that guys, we are even having the referral code Anjali A Live. Both are correct, but at a time you can just use and apply any one of these referral codes. The subscription is even available for different durations: 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. Depending on which you find more beneficial for yourself, you can take that subscription. Now after taking the subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes and the most important courses by all the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. So this is how guys you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription as well, as it will be helping you a lot to prepare very well for your upcoming exam. Even guys, we are having Plus and the Iconic, both the subscriptions available on Unacademy Learning app. So depending on this thing, which one you find more beneficial for yourself, as in the Plus subscription you will get all these benefits, in Iconic subscription you will get all these benefits. So you will be able to easily consider which one you want to take, which subscription you want to take, and by selecting the duration you can just proceed further. You will get a place to write the referral code, okay. Write the referral code Anjali A Live there or Anjali Arora there, apply it and get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount as well, or grab this offer if you will be taking the subscription till 1st December, okay. For this duration the offer is going on. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.